It is the most significant case involving the U.S. economy and the wallets of American consumers to reach the U.S. Supreme Court in years. The justices are now hearing comments over President Donald Trump's emergency tariffs. Karen Caifa has more on those arguments in front of the Supreme Court and what it means for your money.
The fate of President Donald Trump's so-called Liberation Day tariffs on the line at the U.S. Supreme Court. And the White House argument facing some skepticism from conservative justices like Amy Coney Barrett.
Can you point to any other place in the code or any other time in history where that phrase, together regulate importation, has been used to confer tariff-imposing authority?
The Trump White House has leaned on a 1970s-era emergency law to impose duties on dozens of countries because, they argue, the law allows a president to, quote, regulate importation during emergencies. And it's that term that's at the crux of the debate, whether regulate permits tariffs. Liberal Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson countering that the law was designed to put a check on presidential power, not expand it.
It's pretty clear that Congress was trying to constrain the emergency powers of the president.
Small and medium-sized businesses who brought the case argue the law doesn't explicitly use the words tariffs or duties. And affected businesses said Wednesday the costs and the uncertainty have been untenable.
We started in my kitchen and expanded to a food truck, and last year opened a shop inside our local VA hospital. But after years of growth, my business has ground to a halt because tariffs are driving up my costs.
Tariffs trickle down to the people, and they are crushing us.
Trump's top appellate attorney has warned that a ruling against the tariffs will have catastrophic consequences for the U.S. economy. In Washington, I'm Karen Caifa.